Good morning, guys, and welcome to our new math video. Today's lesson is going to be percentage increase and decrease. So, first of all, let's have a brain teasing question just to warm up with it. So, let's start. So, I have here a question. I need you to pause the video and read it carefully. You have 5 minutes to solve the question and then get back to me. Okay, so here question number 9. In the general election in the UK in 2010, 29.6 million people voted. This table shows the percentages of voters that voted for the three main parties. Okay, so I have the first party is 36%, and the second party, which is Labour, it's 29%, and the third party, which is Liberal Democrat, it's 23%. So he needs to know, question number A, work out how many people voted for each party and give your answers correct to one decimal place. So first of all, I need to get every I need to get the number of people voted for each party. So I will just start with the first one. Here, conservative, it's 36% times the total number of people here voted. So it's 26.6 million. So 36% times 26.6, which means 36 over 100 times 26.6. You can make it with the calculator, by the way, or by the way, you can make it 0.36 as a decimal and multiply by 29.6 and get the answer. Okay, so the answer here is 10.656. Okay, so I answered it. No, you forgot something. You forgot to give your answers correct to one decimal place, so he needs me to round to the nearest one decimal place, so the 10th. So find the number, go next door. So the number here is 6/10, and the next door is 5, which is strong number. So I'm gonna add one more to the 6, is gonna be 7. So it's gonna be 10.7 million people voted for Conservative Party. Okay, the same question, but for the second party, it's labor. So labor equals 29% times 29.6. And you have the two methods that we said and we talked about it in the previous videos. So it's going to be 29 over 100 times 29.6, which the answer is going to be equal to 8.584. And again, you have to correct your answer to one decimal place. So this is the first decimal place, which is 10th. Go next door, it's 8, which is a strong number. So add one more to the 5, it's going to be 6. So the answer is going to be 8.6 million people. Okay, so the third one in Liberal Democrat, it's 23% voted for it. So 23% times 29.6, it's going to be 23 over 100 times 29.6, which is 6.808. And if I want to correct that to one decimal place, it's going to be 6.8 million people because it's here, this is the 8. Next door is 0, which is weak number, so I will just ignore it. So it's gonna be 6.8 because ignoring in math it means zeros. So 6.8 million people. Okay, question number B. How many of the people who voted did not vote for one of the main parties? Give your answer in millions, correct to one decimal place. So it's the same thing, but he needs to know whoever didn't vote for these three main parties. So first I need to know how many voted for the three main parties. So how many percent? So let's do it together. To know the rest that they who didn't vote for the main parties, I have to subtract 36 plus 29 plus 23% from 100% because the total is 100%, of course. So 100% minus 36% plus 29% plus 23%, which is going to be equals to 100% minus 88%, which equals to 12%. So to get the number of people who didn't vote for the three main parties, I'm just gonna multiply 12% times the total number of people voted. So it's gonna be 29.6. So 12% times 29.6 is gonna be equals to 12 over 100 times 26.6, and it's gonna be equal to 3.552. But take care, he needs again to correct to one decimal place, so it's going to be 3.6 million people. Okay, this is for the brain teasing question. Let's go to our new lesson and let's start by an example. So here is a sign in a shop window. The original price of a dress is £135. In the sale, the price is reduced by 30%. What is the sale price? So let's think about it. Right now, the original price for a dress is £135, and this price is reduced by 30%. So I need to get 30% of 135 to get the money reduced from the original price. So the price reduced equals to 30% times 135, which means it's going to be 30 over 100 times 135, and this is equal to 40.5 pounds. And this is the price reduced from the original price. So this is the reduction of the price. So I need to know the price in the sale. So I will get the original price and subtracted, I will make it minus 40.5. So it's going to be sale price equal to 135 minus 40.5, which is going to be equal to 94.5 pounds. And that's it. Okay, so let's have our classwork, guys. It's gonna be the same thing for everything here. It's gonna be the same method. So you're getting the percentage of something and check is it increase or decrease. And after that, you are just making the new price or the sale price or whatever. Okay, so you're going to pause this video for 5 minutes to solve the question number one and question number two, and then continue playing the video again. Okay, so let's start by question number one. A tree is 5.6-meter high. In a year, the height increases by 10%. So, question number A, work out the increase in height. So, to get the increase in height, I have to multiply the 10% times the tree height. So, it's going to be 5.6 times 5 times 10%, which is going to be 10 over 100, which the total here 5.6 times 10 over 100 is going to be 0.56 meters. This is the increase in height. I need to know the new height, like in the next year. What will happen? So I will just add this number to the original number of the original height of the tree. So it's going to be 5.6 plus 0.56. The answer is going to be 6.16 meters. This is the new height of this tree in a year. Okay? Okay. So it's very easy. Question number two. A woman's mass is only 32 kilograms and she is trying to increase it. She successfully increases her mass by 12%. So work out the increase in her mass. So I have to get the increase in mass. So it means 12% times 32 kilograms. So the increase in weight here is going to be 32 times 12%, which means 32 times 12 over 100. And when we calculate that, you will find the answer equals to 3.84 kilograms. Okay? And this is the increase in mass. Okay, work out her new mass. So I'm just adding this number to her original mass before increase. So it's gonna be 32 plus 3.84, which is gonna be equals to 35.84 kilograms. Okay, easy. Okay, let's go for another classwork. So pause this video for 5 minutes and then play it again after 5 minutes. Okay, here, question number three. The price of a TV is £720. In a sale, the price is reduced by 15%. Work out the reduction. So the reduction is gonna be £720 times 15%. So 15% here times 720, and just make that as a decimal or fraction as you wish. Both of them are correct. So 15 over 100 times 720. So the answer is going to be equal to 108 pounds. This is the reduction. I need to know the new price. So I will just subtract this reduction from the price of the TV, the original price of the TV. So it's going to be new price equals 720 minus 108 is going to be equals to 612 pounds. Okay? Okay. Question number four. The price of a car is decreased by 3%. The original price was 14,800 pounds. Work out the decrease in price. So decrease, that's price reduction. It's gonna be equals to 3% times 14,800. And I will just calculate that. So the answer is gonna be equal to 444 pounds. And this is the reduction, or this is the decrease in price. I need to know the new price in question number B, so I will just subtract this reduction from the original price of the car, which is going to be equals to 14,800 minus 444, which is going to be equal to 14,356 pounds. Okay, let's go for another brain teasing question. Just pause this video for 10 minutes to solve this question and get back to me again. Okay, so question number 9 here. This is an extract from a newspaper article. So he said here that gas and electricity prices increase. A fuel company has announced that domestic gas bills will rise by 16% and electricity bills will rise by 18%. So the Watson's gas bill last year was £625 and their electricity bill was £441. Work out the expected bills for Watson's for gas and electricity after the increase. So here, question number A, the increase of gas price, the gas price increased here by 16%, so I need to know the increase of gas price. So 16% times the bill of last year for Watson's. So it's going to be 625. So 16% times 625, when you calculate that, it's going to be equals to 100 pounds. So the new price for the gas expected price is going to be 625 plus 100. It's going to be equal to 725 pounds. This is for the gas expected price. What about electricity? The electricity here, it was here it will rise by 18%, so it's gonna be 18% times 441 pounds. So I need to calculate that. So it's gonna be 18 over 100 times 441. It's gonna be equals to 79.38 pounds. This is the increase of electricity price. I need to know the new price or the expected bill for Watson's in the electricity. Like electricity expected price will be 79.38 plus 441. This is the last year bill. So it's going to be equals to 520.38 pounds. Okay, this is for question number A. Question number B. What is the total increase in their bills for gas and electricity? He needs to know the total increase. So the increase in gas was 100 and the increase of electricity was 79.38. So I'm gonna add them. The total increase is going to be equal to 100 plus 79.38, which is going to be equal to 179.38 pounds. And this is the increase for the bills for gas and electricity together. Okay, so thank you very much for listening. Your homework is going to be page 83 and 84. I hope that you are safe and stay safe at home. So thank you very much for watching and have a nice day.